back to my channel. My name is Teasing. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I'm so excited. Ignore the way I'm dressed. I'm comfy, cozy. It's cold outside. It's raining. Y'all know that cold rain, like, no, don't nobody want to be outside right now. I have my bonnet on. Like, no. And I feel like these videos are also more authentic when I'm dressed like this, because who's getting dressed and getting cute in like cold ass, rainy ass weather. Nobody. Y'all is sitting in the house relaxing, probably drinking y'all hot chocolate and all that other stuff. I'm doing it too. I'm just on camera. So, and y'all family anyway. Y'all see me with my bonnet on plenty of times. Y'all, I feel like anybody that has seen me with my bonnet on is family. So I'm comfortable enough to come on here with my bonnet on, cause y'all family. So, you know, okay, cool. All right, but today we're going to be doing an unboxing. As y'all know, I have been using Brooke Nation's hair growth oil for, when did I land? I landed December 2nd back in California from Atlanta, and that's when the package was sitting at my doorstep. So December 2nd, I actually used it, and I am right here. Can y'all tell where the bottle is? It's right there. This stuff is really, really good. I love it. Brooke Nation hair growth oil. Keep doing your thing, sis. Recently she came out with a hair Bible. Okay, so we're just gonna, I pre-ordered it. So I got a, if you did her pre-order, you got a discount to get you got a discount code basically, and the oil was $9 instead of $15. So yeah, Brooke Nation, keep coming through with the discounts, okay? Keep coming through with the sales, keep coming through with the discounts, okay? I have not had to pay $15 for this oil, because this oil is originally $15. I got it on sale for Black Friday. It was $10, and then I bought another one that should be coming on the way probably after Christmas, because I ordered it yesterday. So that should be coming after Christmas, and that one was $9.99. So all right, okay. And y'all know me, if I like it so much I buy two. That's how you know I like it. Here we go, the Brooke Nation hair Bible, a guide to healthy hair, Miss Brooke Jackson. She's so pretty. Just look at it. And look at the, oh my gosh. I love her. Never met her. Someone else is in here. Oh, another card. Okay. With all her information. Okay. Thanks for shopping with me. You're going to love the Brooke Nation hair Bible. Oh, she's so cute. I don't know what it is, but I love when businesses write me handwritten notes. It makes me feel like it was just for me, even though, you know, she probably wrote it to everybody, but it just makes me feel like it's just for me. I don't know. Oh, that's so cute. I'm keeping this. Well, I have the other one, it's in my wallet, but I'm keeping this one just because she wrote on it. Oh, okay. So Brooke Nation, she goes on live every Tuesday, so I already know what the book is about and all this other stuff, because she showed it. But this is just adorable. I love, and she's 22. We love young Black queens doing what they doing, you know what I'm saying? Like, continue. Oh my gosh. And she's in like 20 different stores all over. So I feel like I'm reading to my kindergarten class. Can everybody see? Okay, it says, my name is Brooke, also known as Brooke Nation. I'm the CEO and founder of Brooke Nation hair growth oil. People have always asked me, what do I use in my hair? And I thought it would be a good idea to have my regimen on how I grow my hair available for purchase so that you can achieve amazing results using Brooke Nation hair growth oil. I started my hair care line at 18 years old. I did not know that. I launched at the age of 21. Okay. I am super excited to announce that I am currently featured in many retail stores, and I am partnered with Black-owned beauty supply stores. I want to thank all of my partnerships and supporters for pushing me. The sky is the limit. Shout out to my parents, family, friends, and everyone who has purchased my product. You never know what the future holds, but God... Wait, what? You never know what the future holds, but what God has for me is for me. Oh, it's so cute. And so, this is her mission statement. Oh, Brooke Nation Hair Growth Oil is an all-natural serum. Here are the ingredients. I love how she has the ingredients and then they list like what they do. So I was intrigued to know what ylang ylang oil, this one right here, I was intrigued to know what that does for your hair. I just never, really looked it up. But I've never seen that in a hair growth oil, I don't think. So it boosts hair strength and growth, moisturizes strands, softens and increases shine, and helps reduce scalp inflammation and hair follicle damage. Rich in vitamin E. I did not know that. I know what rosemary oil does. I know what mint oil does. Eucalyptus, olive tree, lemon extract. I haven't heard of that in a product either. Improves hair growth, adds shine, kills lice, and controls oily hair and oily scalp. I love that she put the ingredients in here and what they do. And you can write in this as well. So I'm gonna have fun with this. So it's gonna say, I, Kyla, will love my hair. I will learn what styles look good and how to do them. I will apply my Brooke Nation hair growth oil every day or every other day consistently. I will explore the joys of natural hair. I will not entertain others who make me feel less than who I am and make me feel bad about my hair. I love this. I will embrace my hair and start my Brooke Nation hair growth journey today. I am now a member of the main team, signature and date. And then this gives you your hair type, what your hair type is, and you get more insight on that. I'm gonna have fun with this. Which hair length is your goal? I want at least, my hair is almost tailbone length, so I don't really have a hair goal. I don't really have a hair length. Do y'all have that? Is that weird? What differences have you noticed about your hair? Okay, so I can say this. A difference that I have seen is that my hair is more shinier. That's true. I'm not sure if it's because I colored my hair back black or if it's because of the Brooke Nation hair growth oil. But since I colored my hair back black, I have been using the Brooke Nation hair growth oil, and my hair looks shinier. I can definitely tell that difference. And my scalp don't really itch like that. I don't really have dandruff like that. So yeah. Oh, I love this book. Oh my gosh. Day 4, day 5. Hair growth tracker. Let's track your hair. Front, left side, right side, right side. So you can write down your measurements. I'm gonna have fun with this. I'm trying to turn with these nails. Okay, day 7. So this is just the challenge. Day 9, day 10. Oh, so you even have some customer testimonies in here. Day 11. And this is gonna track your hair growth again. Listen, Brooke. So this is just the same thing, like tracking your hair growth. Embrace your hair and trust the process. I like how she has motivate. Oh wait, hold on. Am I missing something? I saw something that I didn't see before. Oh, so she has some did you knows in here. I'm gonna read that. It says, did you know teasing your hair may cause damage? It may be tempting to tease and get volume, especially when you're adding volume to your wash and go styles, but it may cause tangles and damage if done incorrectly too often. That is definitely correct, which is why I don't even do wash and goes, because my wash and goes, they look horrible. I hate wash and go. I don't like wash and goes. I don't like the way wash and goes look on my hair. But even like with twist outs, if you pick your hair too much, or if you like try to put your fingers in through there and like lift it up too much, that can cause breakage. And I love this. I have no complaints about this hair Bible. I'm gonna write in this today, honestly. Okay, and then so it's just the same thing, like day 52, like writing in your goals and things like that. I haven't seen anything like this. Your growth oil is not only growing my hair, but it's also made my hair soft. Okay. And then it says, great job. Update me on Instagram about your hair growth journey. Don't give up. Need to purchase more Brooke Nation hair growth oil? Scan the QR code to see all locations and to purchase more. Okay, so all you do is just scan this QR code to see where she's located. And yeah, oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, and I'm gonna read the back just because I'm just okay. It says, go main team. So her slogan is like my main friends, yeah, my main friends. So that's what she says. She calls her supporters her main friends. So this says, the Brooke Nation Hair Bible was created to explain and inform you about the importance of taking care of your hair. No matter what hair texture, whether your hair is relaxed, colored, or somewhere in between, this journal will build your confidence in your hair and educate you on how to increase hair growth and maintain its health. Everyone's hair story is unique, and this journal will guide you about your journey. Brooke Jackson is an entrepreneur. I love this picture, and I like how they did it in black and white. She's so freaking pretty, and yes, that's all her, guys. This is all her too. Don't play with her. It says, Brooke Jackson is an entrepreneur, entertainer, social media influencer through her creative and fashionable posts about her hair care routine. She learned that people were interested in her regimen and wanted to know how to maintain healthy hair. She launched Brooke Nation Hair Growth Oil online in 2021 to help others achieve their healthy hair goals. Connect with Brooke on Instagram at Brooke Nation. And that is the Brooke Nation Hair Bible. Like I said, I already ordered me a second bottle that should be here after Christmas. I genuinely do love this product, and I genuinely like that it came from a black woman, especially of my age. You get what I'm saying? That makes me feel that should encourage all of my youngsters that you can start your business no matter what age. Because homegirl started at 18 and she's 22, 21, I forgot, but she's in her 20s, and if she can do this and be in stores, black owned stores, Come on now. Like, I love this, and I'm gonna keep it. I think I paid, how much did I pay for this? I think I paid, I pre-ordered it. So pre-order, it was discounted. So I think I paid $8.99, but I think it's gonna be around $10. I'm not sure. In between $10 or $15, but I definitely feel like it's worth it. Get it. Hold on. I wish I had my purple nails, because it would, like, it matches the aesthetic. But anyways, it doesn't matter. The black is okay too. My bad, y'all. I need to get a thumbnail. All right, y'all. So that is the Brooke Nation Hair Growth Bible. Thank you for reading with me. I feel like my reading is soothing when I read out loud. Is that, am I like, no? Okay. You can let me know. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you get your Bible, okay, and your Brooke Nation oil. Definitely. And I paid for these, for both of these, with my own money. This is not sponsored. She didn't send me any free product. I tried it, paid for it with my own money, liked the product, and I bought another bottle. That other bottle is coming on the way. But I bought both of these, discounted, of course, because I don't pay full price for anything. But yeah, I bought, this is not sponsored, okay? I don't want anyone to think, oh, she's just, no, this is not that. I actually wanted to buy this for myself and support my sister. I love this. Listen, okay, I'm excited. All right, y'all, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Trees. Make sure you follow Brooke on Instagram. It is Brooke Nation, and her TikTok is Who Is Brooke Nation. That's her TikTok. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice 98. Is that it? Yeah, and I will see y'all. Merry Christmas. I'm sure this will be out after Christmas, so Happy New Year, Happy Holidays, Happy Hanukkah, whatever the hell y'all celebrate, as long as you celebrate something, you know. If you're with your families, peace, love. If you don't fuck with your family like that, fuck them too, you know what I'm saying? I respect, you know, if they don't respect your boundaries, fuck them, you get what I'm saying? So hey, either way, you know, I'm cool with it. But yeah, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.